Okay, welcome to Math 242 online course for this summer, session 1 2026. I am Jean-Pierre Liamba, it's a Dr. Liamba. I will be teaching this online course. So this is my version of the online course, Math 242. So this is the front page. Now what I need to show here is I will now go to the student view so I can explain it. I can explain everything from the student view. So this is me as a student now. So what you see here is exactly when you open your Canvas course, you're going to see this. So on the front page, if you go down here, I put the description of the course, and if you click in here, this is where you should watch the video, the introductory video, the one I'm making now, so you can watch it by clicking here. You have information about Alta. Alta is a software that we're going to use throughout this course to do the exams, the homework assignments, and the quizzes. So I will explain about Alta a little bit. And the office hours is when you can come during this time from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. If you click in here, you will log into Zoom and be able to come to the Zoom office and ask you questions. And I prefer that you contact me through the inbox canvas. So that's the best way to contact me. It's this one here, inbox canvas. If you can send your message there, I will answer to you. Don't try to use my regular email because there are many people there who are using that email. Okay, so what you should do first, anytime you go to your Canvas page, your Canvas course, make sure to click on the announcement and then read the announcement. Okay, so here you have two announcements that you should read. The one you should read first is this one. You need to set up your Alta account. Then you can start doing your assignments there. So read this and set up your Alta account right away. And the syllabus. So the syllabus this is the link to the syllabus. If you click on it, you'll see the syllabus, or you can download it by clicking here. So this is the syllabus of the course. I want you to go over the syllabus of the course, the entire syllabus. Modules is where you get information about the course, even about the instructor, the grading policy, the overview of the course. You will also you can also buy this textbook written by myself. It will help you excel on this course. Now for the module that you see here, this is where you can start your readings. So where do I start to read or to watch videos for this online course? So remember, the online course doesn't have a classroom. Okay? You don't meet with the teacher. You do your reading, you watch the videos, and then you do the assignments. Okay? So this is where you're going to come and read you do the reading and then watch the videos. If you click in here, you'll see, for example, that you have the videos that you can watch. And those are, when you see Alta videos, these are the video coming from Alta itself, software. So these videos are related to the homework assignments. So watch the videos before you do the homework assignments. And then you have all the videos, like YouTube videos and so forth. So, and then when you go to step 2, we give you some readings. So this is the readings. You can those are the notes. Okay, so you can click here and then read the notes. Only then, after doing this two, then you can go back to your assignments and then start doing the assignments. Okay. So now next is if we go under the assignments, that's when you have all the assignments are posted here, even the due date. See the due date? So all the quizzes, all the tests, they are posted here. Now your friend, every time, every day, when you want to do assignment, you have to go under assignments and then start doing the assignments. Okay, so if you're ready to do the assignment, then you can just, for example, 6.1a under the curve, you can click on here and then start doing the assignments. Okay, since the assignment is not available yet, because it should be available on Monday, June 1st. So when you click in here on Monday, you will see a place where it says start the assignment. Then you can start your assignments there. Okay, make sure to do your assignments. And same thing with the quizzes. Okay. So on the same under the assignment, you'll do your quizzes, you'll do your test, you'll do your homework assignment. So this is where you're going to be doing all the work. Okay? Because it actually gives you all the due dates and so forth. Even at the end, you can see here we also have the final exam. It's already set up there, and the due date is June 29th. So grades. So when you go to grades, you'll see basically your grade that you received after the due date. You'll see your grade posted here on everything that you do. And here it tells you about the grade, the course grade category. So the homework assignment is worth 16% of the course grade. You're going to take 4 quizzes, they're going to be worth of 14%. 4 tests have 56%. So make sure when you do the test, you do it right, because one test is 14% of the course grade. So don't fail the test. And then the final test is 14%. All goes to up to 100%. Another thing that I wanted to mention is this. If you go under the assignments and you go to the last, at the bottom of the assignment here, you're going to see what we call the test review center. Okay. So before you do a quiz, before you do a test, I will suggest that you go and do the review test or review quiz first. So when you click on that, you'll see the review. So it says a review center. So you can click in here and review the quiz 1. So after reviewing the quiz 1, then you can go take the quiz 1. Okay. So same thing with test. So everything is given here. So the best way to prepare for those tests and quizzes is to do the review test and the review quiz. And you do it under the on the test review center. So where's the location of the test review center? Just go click on assignments, and then after all the assignments, you will see the test review center. So this should be where you should prepare. You're going to click and prepare for whatever you want to do, whether it's a quiz or a test. So review it first before you take it. Okay, now that's basically what is the first thing to do? The first thing to do is this: go under the announcement, click on this, on the go set up your Canvas, your Alta course, and then click on any. Go to your Canvas homepage, and then click on assignments, and then click on any assignment that will. That's how you're going to set up your course. Okay. So what do? You click on under the assignment on your page, and when you see the assignment, at any assignment, just click on it, and that's how you're going to set up your course, okay, your Alta course. Then you can start doing the assignment. When you're ready, you do the assignment. Again, before doing the assignment, this is an online course. You have to teach yourself there. Before doing any assignment, go to modules, And for example, module 1 is about, this is like chapter 6. Okay. So go to discussions. It says here, do the assigned readings and watch the given lecture videos. So first, you can watch the video. Okay. So these are the, if you want to actually watch the altar video, then these are the altar videos. Okay. Now, where's the notes, the lecture notes? So you can go on the step 2. These are the notes. You can download them or you can just click on here and open them. So when you do these 2 assignments, then you can go to the main assignment and then do the related assignment. Okay. So that's how you do this. And make sure to respect the due date. There's no extension. Okay. Everything is due. Follow the due dates. I do not ask for extension. It's going to be, we're not going to give you extension whether it's for the assignment or the quiz or the test. You can see here, this is due. You have many assignments due on the same date. Okay, it doesn't mean you wait until the last minute and start doing the assignment. You have to do them ahead. So when you study, you work on 6.1a, then go and do the 6.1a assignments, and then you move to the next one, and so forth. By the time you close to June 8th, you already did most of the assignments. So that's how it works. So do not wait until June 7th and then you start doing the assignment. If you do it this way, then you're going to, you're not going to do well on quiz 1, because quiz 1 it's due on June 4th. Okay. And then it says it covers 6.1 and then 6.2. So to do quiz 1, you have to do 6.1 assignments and then 6.2 assignments. So basically 6.1a, 6.1c, 6.2b, 6.2c, and then you are prepared to do quiz 1. Don't do quiz 1 without doing these assignments. All right, so welcome to the course, and if you have any question, you can always go to the home page, and at 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. you can click on this. This will bring you to the Zoom office hours, and then I will be present there. So when you click on here, you will see me there. Okay, you click on here, you log in, you put your registration and stuff, you register, and then you will see me present. So it will only happen from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. If you log into this site before or after that, you won't be able to access the office hours. All right, thank you very much for being here, and I wish you a great summer. Have a good day. Bye bye.